Hey everyone, my name is Alona and you're at my channel English with Alona, where I'm sharing with you my knowledge of English grammar and vocabulary and pronunciation. This video is going to be about wishes. Soon it is going to be Christmas and New Year, so I've decided that's probably it's high time to share some interesting grammar. It's going to be about wishes. Present and future and past wishes. Before we start, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that notification bell below and like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Alright, so let's start. We usually use I wish when we talk about imaginary situation, and usually it is opposite to what you have right now. I wish may be used about present or future situation or about past situation. But if we talk about past situation, it's going to be more kind of like a regret. In the first half of this video, we're going to talk about I wish for future and present wishes. To make wishes about states, we use I wish plus past simple. For example, I wish I had my own car. It means I don't have a car. So I wish I had my own car. Or you can say he wishes he had his own car. I wish you were here. I wish I knew that. It means I don't know that.
Wish you were here, Hermione.
He wishes he were somewhere else.
Wish you were
Past simple after I wish we usually use when we talk about some stative verbs. If you don't remember what the stative verbs are, watch my video somewhere over here. So the stative verb is, for example, be, have, know. Like we say, I wish he was here, or I wish I knew, or I wish I had.
I wish I understood. Wish that I knew where I lost.
To make wishes about situation in progress right now or about some future event, you will use past continuous. For example, I wish it was snowing now. It means we have no snow right now, unfortunately. But I really wish it was snowing right now. Or, I wish you were coming to the gigs tomorrow. It's kind of like future event.
I wish I was doing what you're doing, taking a...
I bet he wishes he was tossing caber.
To make wishes about abilities or possibilities, you would use could plus verb 0 infinitive without particle to. For example, I wish I could fly. I wish we could get that contract.
I wish we could take it back in time. I wish I could feel things like you.
The next one is wish plus would plus verb 0. We use this wish plus would when we talk about situation that you would like to be changed, and it's not about you personally but about some other people, organizations, etc. And very often it shows some annoyance. For instance, I wish you would stop talking, or I wish you'd stop talking.
I wish that you would just leave.
I wish this would be over.
We can say I wish I was or I wish I were. Here, for he, she, it, and I, it doesn't matter whether it is was or were. It's like the same like in the second conditionals. So more formal variant will be were. For example, I wish he were here. Or informal, and the variant is I wish he was here. Here it doesn't matter really.
I wish I was him. Put those words.
I wish Candace were here. She would love this song.
And one more thing, if you want to emphasize and use some more emphatic construction, instead of I wish you were here, you can use if only. If only you were here. If only I had a car. If only it was snowing right now.
If only you could help.
If only fame hidden I'd be, baby, could I bear?
And to talk about past wishes, we use I wish and past perfect. Usually we use this structure when we want to express some regret, what we haven't done in the past. For example, I wish I had talked to you. It means I haven't talked to you, and I wish I had talked to you. One more example is I wish I had bought a new house. It means I haven't bought a new house.
Oh, I wish you hadn't done that.
Yeah, I wish that had worked out.
I wish I'd never met you!
You can say wish, somebody, an object. Usually they are stable phrases. For example, I wish you Merry Christmas. I wish you Happy Birthday.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Also, you can say wish plus to. I wish to go out. In such case, wish plus to infinitive means that you would like. I would like to go out. I wish to have a cup of tea right now. However, you can say I wish I was having a cup of tea right now, and it's my wish about present, and that would be alright as well. What about your wishes? My wish for the next year is I wish I had a house next year. I wish I could travel a lot next year. I wish all my family was healthy. What about you? What are your wishes for the next year? Write in the comments below and don't forget to use the correct grammar.